Many zero-turn mowers are more appropriate for larger commercial or industrial applications, but some are small enough to be useful for practical residential use. So if you're looking for one of these, then these are the best in the business. The Poulan Pro 967-330-901 P46ZX Briggs VTwin Pro 22 HP cutting deck zero-turn radius riding mower, 46-inch, is just the right size for your medium-sized lawn. The engine used in the mower is 22 HP Briggs VTwin Pro engine. Thus, it is able to cut and trim at a rate of 2.4 acres per hour with this powerful engine. The caster wheels and welded frame ensure the durability of the mower, and the electric clutch blade makes the mower easy to engage. The fuel tank capacity is 3.5 gallon. Hydro Gear EZT transmission system is used. The second-placed Troy Bilt WC33 420cc 33-inch is powered by 420cc OHV engine with easy electric start and 4 rear-wheel drive forward speeds. It has a wider 33-inch twin-blade cutting deck and 4 forward speeds with the rear-wheel drive system, so it cuts a wide path. Also designed with zero-turn maneuverability to turn on a dime to save time. The rear-wheel self-propelled wide-cut lawnmower features electric start. Another specialty is that it comes with an hour meter with maintenance reminder. Also, it has variable throttle control. In at number 1, we have the Husqvarna MZ60127 HP. The engine used is 27 HP Briggs & Stratton Endurance V-twin engine. Durable 6-inch wide front casters with pneumatic tires provide long life and are easy on turf. Removable foot pan for easy access to deck belt pulleys, spindles, and cleanup. The comfortable high-back seat features standard armrests. The easily accessible adjustment allows fine-tuning of straight-line tracking without tools. Another major feature is the 61-inch fabricated cutting deck having twin sheets of 11-gauge steel for spindles and increased overall strength. This video was about the best zero-turn mowers in the business, and if you like it, then hit the like button. Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss another video from us.